Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the repayment estimator calculator or estimation calculator on the real estate property application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the search button and select the property that you are interested in. Tap on it and then you should scroll down until you find the estimate repayments for something similar. Here you have the repayments calculator feature. You have the mortgage calculator, so you should select your state. Tap on start. You can type in the property price. Here you have the estimated repayments per month, but you can change it per fortnight or per week. Here you have your savings, stamp duty, transfer fee, government fees, available deposit, your price deposit, loan amount, and every relevant information can be checked out. And you can change the parts that are marked with a blue. So here you have a bunch of options that you can choose from. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.